Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to take a first look at the eufy dual camera video doorbell.
With two cameras. And Eufy sent us this for the review.
Yep.
So this is pretty cool. You get a doorbell. It's really heavy. It's a battery powered door. It's pretty big. I imagine that battery lasts a long time, maybe. So anyway, you got the button to start it, and you got the camera, and it's got a camera that looks down as well, which is really neat. It comes with a 15-degree or something like that wedge if you want to point your doorbell a little bit away, and the mounting base.
And it comes with the instructions and power cord to charge it.
And what kind of power cord is it?
It is, looks like micro USB.
Like a USB, okay.
So that needs to charge it up before you install it. And quick start guide.
And also a mounting plate. So.
All right, so this works with the eufy Home Base 2, and you will need that in order to run this doorbell.
Yep. So without that, you can't record. There's no SD card or anything like that in the doorbell.
No, so you will need to get one of those. But the nice thing is that it doesn't require a cloud subscription, and all of your video doorbell videos are stored right there in the home base. So Mark's going to go off and install this, and we'll come back and do our full review.
Thank you.
Thank you.